the ultimate bluey character tier list. First, we have Aunt Trixie. Added a new slot for garbage characters. Just for Aunt Trixie. I almost put her in amazing. Good. Trixie, good. Instant awesome sauce. Bentley's good. Bingo. Should I put you with your father? No. You're amazing. No, you're amazing. I said you're amazing. You go with your sister. Bob was good. Good is gonna be packed. Yeah, I told you it'll be packed. Yeah, Calypso's amazing. Yeah. For Chili. Chili's amazing. Chloe's dad, I don't even have to say anything for him. He's instant garbage. Chloe's mom is Chloe's good. Bella. Ooh, Bella's good. Bella's good. Goober is amazing. He's forgotten. I think it's gonna put you in good slot. I think you're gonna be our first bad character. I don't even have to say anything for you either. Now for Indy. Indy gets the good. Grand Luke is awesome sauce. That's amazing. That's amazing. Judo, you go with Coco. Lucky, you go with all the other people. Kenzie, you're gonna be that guy. I'm Missy. I'm gonna have to put Missy and amazing. Brandon's still up there. Terriers. Do I even have to say anything? They're horrible. They don't add much to the show. Okay, Winton. Amazing. This is packed. I don't know why I'm making packed. Okay, Chloe's parents in here. Buddy. Oh, all Buddy does. It stares at people. Does nothing. Screams. It digs in his nose. We are garbage. No, not garbage. At least horrible. Andy's mom. I'm gonna put you right with your child. Jack. We're gonna go with Judo and Coco. Yeah. At least I'm gonna give your parents credit, but just kidding. You're bad. You don't add much. You're barely in the show. That's about right. Okay, your little sister at least gets more credit. Okay, this is my bluey tier list for now.